Hi guys, what's going on? This is Gary, your Gundamizer, and we are here in Naiya 3 Terminal, Philippines, because we are going to the capital of milk tea and the house of F1, Taiwan, Taipei. Kasama ko asawa ko ulit, si Gundam. Hey guys, let's go! Hi mom! Ganda ng bangs mo ngayon. So guys, ganyan to. Sa departure namin, hindi kami magkatabi ng asawa ko. So try namin makapagpalit kay Maris. Tapos pag uwi naman, hindi rin kami magkatabi. Katabi kami ni Bier. Actually, plano ni Bier yun eh. So check na natin mamaya guys na mangyari. Kakakuha lang namin ng ticket namin, you know. And it's already 5:30. Just waiting our flight na lang kasi 7 AM na yung flight namin. But for now, I would like to introduce our friends. This is my wife. Love you. This is Maris. Maris, tingin ka naman. Love yung sungit mo. Sige, Bier. Pakipagpalit na kami ni Maris. Yes. Sheshe. Guys, panalo. Katabi na kami ng wife ko.
Crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed.
Guys, dito na kami sa harapan. And this is what I've been waiting for. First time to good luck sa akin.
I can fly. I can fly. Ganda May. Yes, gandang gabi ba yun? Daming cotton balls.
May to landing stations. Ticket sa MRT. Kukurin to ng 150 NTD. May video to ah.
I-mute mo na lang yung part.
Guys, ito yung ngayon ang kanilang snake and ladders.
Dito kami galing sa 812. Tapos pupunta kami ng A1. Yan, ito. Kasi may concert sila doon. You treat me like a rose. Ito yung kanilang wifi router. Actually, dalawa nga ito eh. Kaya nagdala ako ng bag para dito. Magkano? 75 NTD? Ah, 75 pesos per day.
Please do not smoke, eat, drink,
Ayaw!
and the message that was
Yun, pasok. Ba't parang sinihan lang? Ito yung pinaka-seat sa ito yung mga balcony. Hindi man ako ng pagkain sa 7-Eleven. Aw! Liit.
A few minutes later.
So guys, naliligaw na kami. Patulong kami sa guard. So usapan tong Chinese to Chinese. So guys, bahala na kung saan kami mapatpad.
Lost coin. Lagi saan tayo?
Break na lang tayo. So guys, parang hindi pala siyang divisoria. Makikita mo yung mga numbers na yun. Yung ibig sabihin ay $100 pero NTD. Hi guys, after a long period of walk namin, ito yung our first stop na. Food. Pork noodles. Hey mom, spicy. Kayo sa'yo beef, di ba? Beef ba sa'yo? Si Bear. Bear na sa'yo. Hello, me. Ikaw, mami.
Tayo na lang dalawa, tayo na lang magsama.
This is how to use properly the chopsticks. First, you have to wait, hindi ko na makuha. Guys, dito kami sa BGC. Ito yung Metro Bank.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
Yeah!
Ay, akala ko boomerang.
You make me move. You make me move.
Masarap to guys, share tea. Yan, try nyo yan. Dahil masarap kasi share lang sa akin ito ng asawa ko.
You make me move. You make me.
Pagkatapos ng share tea, ito naman ang bago namin target. Xing Putang. Xing, tama ba? Xing Putang. Yan. Yan. Papasin nyo, mahaba ang pila ng Xing Putang. Okay guys, grabe, bagay na bagay yung pangalan niya. Xing Putang. Xing Putang. Ang mahal. 185 NT. Pero sulit. Sarap. Okay, mami. What can you say about the number 1 milk tea in Taiwan?
Number 2 lang siya sa akin.
Bakit? Ba't is the number 2?
Mas masarap yung share. Talaga?
Hindi ako
Ito yung number 1 roti sa Taiwan.
Ah.
Pa-review mo kay Maris.
Good evening, ma'am. Kamusta po?
Pa yan, ha?
Shirty. Okay. Madalo yung shirty. Pokemon lang. Eto. Cellphone. Hi guys, ito $10 to lang. Hindi harong daya eh.
Video.
Bye-bye! yung magtatay.